Crispy, healthy, delicious stir-fried broccoli stems. Sometimes when I buy broccoli, they have really large stems, and this is the way I like to cook them. Dice 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and then you're going to remove the outer tough part of the broccoli stem. Once you remove the thick skin, inside is a really crispy, delicious, healthy, nutritious stem. Some people actually cut off the stem and throw it out, but there's so many ways you can cook the stem. For example, you can make soup with it, you can make stews with it, and you can stir fry it like this. Once you've removed all the thick fiber from the stem, slice it into thin pieces. Sauté the garlic with some oil to help release the flavor from the garlic. Sauté the broccoli stem and garlic together, then you're ready to add your seasoning. Add half a teaspoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of rice cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of water. Stir fry everything together to mix the seasoning well, then cover it and cook for about a minute. Once the broccoli is tender to your liking, turn the heat off and add half a teaspoon of sesame oil, then you can plate the broccoli stem. Enjoy this with some rice or noodles, delicious, healthy, and tasty. This is optional, but I like to sprinkle a little bit of toasted sesame seeds on top. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.